Question 41. Calcium nitrate decomposes when it is heated. What is the equation for the thermal decomposition of calcium nitrate? So it will decompose into calcium oxide. First, this is totally wrong. You can work out the wrong answer directly. So it is always metal oxide. So even you don't have to check which equation is balanced because B, C, and D equations are totally wrong. It forms metal oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. So you're left with only a right option. That's A. Some metal nitrates and carbonate decompose when heated strongly. Metal Q has a nitrate that decomposes to give a salt and a colorless gas only. And the carbonate does not decompose on heating. What could be this metal Q? The carbonate does not decompose, the nitrate is decomposed. Only two metals for which the carbonate and hydroxides are stable. That's potassium and sodium. So we don't have potassium, so we are left with sodium only. Question 46. Only the gaseous product. Yes, C is the right answer because copper carbonate decompose into copper oxide and carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is a gas. Copper 2 nitrate decompose into copper oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. So C is the right answer. Question 47. Metal X react with steam but not with cold water. Look, when you check the reactivity, potassium, sodium and calcium, they react with cold water as well as steam. But magnesium, aluminium, zinc, till iron, they can react with steam. So which one is reacting with steam but not with cold water? So D is the right. This can react with cold water and steam both. This can react with cold water steam. Copper does not react at all. So you're left with D, which only reacted with steam. Four metals W, X, Y, and Z are separately reacted with water and hydrochloric acid. What is the order of the reactivity of the four metals starting from the least reactive? Yes, B is the right answer. First, you can conclude that X is not reacting, so X should be the least reactive. So either A can be answer or B. And Y is vigorous and violent reaction, so it should end at Y. Then what when you compare W and Z, W is reacting with both, but Z is not reacting with water, it is only reacting with acid. So Z is less reactive, and then followed by like X, Z, W, and Y. In this question, heating a copper to carbonate produced copper oxide. Copper oxide reacted with carbon to produce copper. What are the color changes? Like what is the color of copper? Carbonate. Copper to carbonate. What is the color of copper oxide? And what is the color of copper? So copper carbonate is green, copper oxide is black, and copper is brown, or even pink is acceptable, but it's not written here, pink, but it is acceptable that you can write copper as pink. So this was green, this one is black, and the copper is brown. Question 55. So least reactive is silver, followed by lead, zinc, and then calcium. Even without looking at this information, if you remember the reactivity series, you can answer this question. So these are the questions related to the decomposition of the metal compounds, thermal decomposition of hydroxides, nitrates, and carbonates, and the reaction of metal with acid, with water. Next, we'll continue tomorrow the extraction of the metal from their oxides. Any doubt related to the class today? Okay, so I'll end the session and share the recording with you.